Hello everyone, it's your girl Allie. I'm back today with another video, everyone. So today I will actually be doing Polygel. I got it from Amazon, and I will show you guys how I actually apply Polygel. I actually had 2 videos on that, and I will post those at the end. So now I'm gonna dive into that. Before I dive into that, I just want to let you guys know, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on that button. It looks like a red button with the word subscribe. Tap that button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think about this video. Okay, so let's dive into the video now, you guys, and get started. Hello everyone. To those of you who are new to my channel, I just want to let each and every one of y'all know today I am going to start this video and we're doing nails from the nail extension gel from Makartt. For those of you new, I just want to let you guys know that I actually have 2 videos that dealing with Polygel. This is the set that I used before, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go through the gels and tell you the different colors. There are six tubes of gel, and I'm going to tell you the name of the colors that they have. So this is clear, and then you have the natural pink, you have the bright white, you have the dark pink, the light pink, and then you also have the misty rose. Okay, all right, so these are the Daul Forms, and this is the top it off base gel, and then your instructions on how to do the Polygel. This is the stencil that comes with it, and this is your brush. So you have to take it out of this little tube. On both ends it has a spatula on one and it has a brush on the other. Okay, so this is the spatula. This is how it looks. Okay, and the brush is on this end. Okay, okay, so my nails are already prepped. I'm going to be using the light pink Polygel. Okay, this is how it looks. So I'm going to get everything prepared so you can actually see how it looks. I have a paper towel there, and I'm going to open up the Polygel so you can see, because it's fresh, it's new. So this one I haven't used. I have used all the different ones, but I haven't used this one. Okay, so I don't know if you can really see it. It's really light pink. Okay. You can barely even tell what it looks like. So I'm just putting a little cap so you can see how clear it is. It's a light pink. All right, so now I'm going to just take the end where the spatula at, take it off, put it on the paper so you can just see how it actually looks. Okay, just give me a moment so I can get that together. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really, really light. It's really light, so you can't barely see it at all. Okay, this is the 70% alcohol. I'm going to be using this glass dripper to remove the alcohol from the container and put it into the Dappen Dish. This is the Dappen Dish. So I'm basically going to be putting the alcohol in the Dappen Dish, and here's the cover to go over the Dappen Dish. Okay. All right. So the nails already been prepped. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and dive into doing everything. Just wanted to show you. Okay, this is the top coat, and this green one is the base coat. I'm going to use the buffer. This is the cuticle oil. And this is my duster for the dust. This is the bites for the equal file, the electric equal file. And this is my file, which is a coarse file grid. Okay. And as you see, I'm getting ready to show you my primer that I will be using on my nails first before I do anything. So today I'm only going to be doing my left hand, and I'm getting ready to use the forms. So I'm going to get that together right here and measure every finger with the forms before I get started. Okay, I'm putting the primer on each nail, and I'm going to go ahead and dive into applying the polygel to the forms and putting them on. And y'all enjoy the video, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification on, and don't forget to share these video, you guys. Now watch me hit it with another banger with the end of this video, so check it out, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I don't want to talk through the whole video, but I'm gonna just let you guys check this out, and at the end you will see how beautiful all my nails look once I'm done. All right, you guys.